So in this video, I'm going to share 12 affiliate programs that you can apply to and start making money with today. Now, I've been doing affiliate marketing for over a decade. I've applied to hundreds of different affiliate programs over the years, and I want to share some of the best ones that you can utilize as an affiliate marketer to make money online. So let's go ahead and just get into this list right now. The first one is, I think, the most important because everyone should be in this program, and that is Amazon Associates. So Amazon has its own affiliate program for pretty much anything that gets purchased on the platform. And the reason why I think everyone should be in this is because, well, there's really endless products that you can promote. Now, let's go over the fee schedule here and the amount that you can make on it. And so you can go to find this here. I'll link it below. But you can see the different products that you're promoting and the percent commission that you would get on some of those products. And this ranges anywhere from 1 to 10% commission on the sale of any product that gets purchased on Amazon. Now, some people might look at this and say, well, it's not very high. You might be getting 3 or 4 or 5% on an item. But I think it's still really great because they have so many different products that you can promote. And once you get someone to click on your Amazon affiliate link, anything that they purchase on the platform in the next 24 hours, you can get a commission for, regardless of whether you were promoting that specific product or not. And people are always using Amazon. It is a platform that people are purchasing things on all the time. And so it's really easy to get people to convert because they trust Amazon. They already have an Amazon account. So the conversions are a lot higher when you get people to click on those links. So that's the first one. I think everyone should be in that program for various different products. But let's talk about some more specific affiliate programs that you could look into to make some money on in this year. All right, so the next affiliate program is going to be Adobe. Now, this is really great for anyone who has experience with Photoshop or with Premiere Pro or any of the other dozen different Adobe products and suites that they have available. And so if you start promoting Adobe, maybe you're doing Photoshop tutorials on YouTube, or you're doing Adobe Illustrator tutorials on TikTok or on Instagram Reels, you can get people to sign up for Adobe. And every time someone signs up through your link, through your special Adobe link, you're getting 85% of the first month payment that they're signing up for. And if you look at Adobe plans, you'll find that most Adobe products are going to be anywhere in the range of $30 to $70 per month. So in this case, you can be getting, $30, $40, $50 for every person who signs up for Adobe. And this is a really great way to make thousands of dollars by just doing something that maybe you already have experience with and doing those tutorials that people can search for on YouTube or on different platforms or even on your blog as well to make money with. Okay, so the next affiliate program is going to be kind of a broad basket one, and that is Tik Tok Shop. Now, Tik Tok Shop has really taken off in the past few years, and there are so many different products that you can promote on the platform. I actually have a full Tik Tok Shop affiliate tutorial that I made a couple months ago, and people really like that. It's all free. We're not selling anything. It's just showing you how to get started with Tik Tok Shop, how to start promoting products on that platform. And this is, a way that I've seen people make tens of thousands of dollars by just promoting products that they already have in their house or that they bought from Tik Tok Shop. They make some videos about it, and next thing they know, they're making a lot of money from that. So that's more of a broad basket affiliate network that you can promote things inside of Tik Tok Shop. There are some requirements to get started with that. You do need a certain amount of followers on TikTok, but that is something as well that we have videos showing you how to do that. So very similar to Amazon in that sense, where there's endless products that you can promote on TikTok Shop's platform. The downside to that is that you do have to be on TikTok. You can't be promoting TikTok Shop products on different platforms. So if you're really big on like Instagram or you're making a lot of YouTube videos, you're going to be limited on the products you can promote through TikTok Shop because of that. So that's the only limitation there compared to something like Amazon's affiliate program. Okay, so number 4 here is going to be an affiliate with Stan. Now, Stan is a platform that allows creators to monetize their influencer business. And so I see a lot of creators, talking about how to make money online. And one of the best ways to do that is actually to help other people become creators and helping them get set up. So Stan is a really great platform for running your creator business. They have, I believe, hundreds of thousands of people who use the platform. And so just a quick overview here of like what they offer, but essentially like you can sell your ebooks, you can have your viewers or customers schedule calls with you. You can do consulting, coaching, you can build a course on Stan. There's a lot of different things like auto DMs you can set up with Stan. So it's a really useful product. And so they have an affiliate program that offers 20% recurring commission commissions for every person or every creator that you get to sign up for their platform for that creator to start using. And so the really cool thing about this is that it's recurring commission. So the pricing is $29 per month for the creator plan. Now you're getting a 20% commission on this indefinitely. And so that means that you're getting about $6 per month for every person who signs up. And if they're signed up for 5 years, you're going to be just getting that in passive income every single month. And at the Creator Pro plan at $100 a month, you're getting a 20% on that. You're getting about $20 per month every month that the person is using that plan and paying for a Stan package. So it's really cool how you can build passive income from these recurring commissions. And it's one that I would look into, especially if you're really getting into affiliate marketing, is those recurring commissions, because it can set you up for passive income for many, many years to come. In fact, I still get payments from affiliate programs that I was in, back in 2018, 2019. I referred some people. They're still paying for it, and I'm still getting checks in the mail every month from some of those different affiliate programs. So the next one that I want to share with you is going to be Target. What I like about Target's program is that, once again, like with Amazon, you have such a wide range of products that you can promote. And so when we go and look at Target's partner program, we can see some of the details here. Now, one thing that I like is that they offer a cookie length of 7 days. This essentially means that if someone clicks on a product that you're promoting in Target's affiliate program, and maybe they click on it today, but they don't buy it until 6 days later, well, you're still going to get the credit. You're going to get the commission for sending them to Target, and they will pay you out on that. Now, with Amazon, the cookie length is only 24 hours. So there's a big difference there. There's a big window with 7 days of that person actually going and buying the product. If you have more questions on like cookie lengths and stuff, let me know. I know it can feel a little bit confusing, but yeah. So if we look at Target's average earnings per click, EPC, it's about $12 to $13 for every 100 clicks that you're getting. So if you make some videos and you get 10,000 clicks, you can see that you can actually make some really good money from this. This would be about $1,200 to $1,300 on average when you're in Target's affiliate program. All right, so the next one might be a little bit boring for some, but it can be extremely lucrative, and that is promoting accounting software like FreshBooks. Now, making tutorials about accounting software can really feel daunting, but there's a lot of money in it, and that's because it's difficult, right? It's hard to understand how to do bookkeeping and accounting, right? But FreshBooks is an accounting software that will pay you $200 per sale for every person that you are converting to become a customer for this company. And so, for example, if you made a tutorial on how to use FreshBooks, right? And there are tutorials out there on YouTube or even on Instagram or TikTok that might have 100,000 views. And if they're converting people at $200 per sale and you get 100 people to sign up for that, that is $20,000 in commissions from FreshBooks. And so that's one that I think is very lucrative. It's a very high priced affiliate commission. You're getting $200 per person. So it's something that I definitely would look into. Now, another one is going to be Coinbase. So if you want to talk about investing or crypto or anything related to that, then Coinbase is one that is a very trusted name. A lot of people already know Coinbase, but you can get 50% of Coinbase fees, trading fees, for the first 3 months that someone is signed up on the platform. So what's interesting about this is that if someone clicks on your link, they sign up for Coinbase and they invest $10,000 into like Bitcoin or some cryptocurrency, and maybe Coinbase takes like a 1.5% fee on that. And so you might get $75 because that's half of their fee on that for that person who just signed up for Coinbase through your link. Now, other people might be, investing $10 and you might only get a couple cents commission from that, but you're kind of partnering with Coinbase in this way where you're getting half of all the money that Coinbase is making off of someone for the first 3 months. So this is really useful for anyone who wants to talk about crypto, make videos like Reels or YouTube Shorts or anything related to that. And that is something that I've done in the past. I've made videos with Coinbase and I've linked to them, and I've made a good amount of money from talking about that. Now, kind of bundling in with some other ones here, you can think about referral programs with like Robinhood or Moomoo Robinhood or some of the other investing apps, some of them don't have affiliate programs anymore. Like I used to be in Robinhood's affiliate program, and they used to pay really, really good money. They shut that down, I believe, but you can still do the referral program. It'll kind of cap you out, I think, at about $1,500 per year in referrals on the platform. But if you're making any type of investing content, it definitely can be lucrative. All right, so another really cool one is going to be Expedia. So you can refer people to book hotels or a variety of different things and experiences through Expedia, and you're going to get up to a 4% commission for every qualifying booking that is made through your site, your links, your widgets. This is really especially useful for anyone who has a website, like if you have a blog or even if you have a social media page that you are funneling over to your website, and then people are booking hotels or different things through Expedia's network. You're getting a 4% commission on that. And what I do like about this as well is that, 4% might not sound like a lot, but if you think about the average hotel booking, it's going to be really expensive. And so people might be going on a week-long trip to Disney, and that might, be a $3,000 hotel, and, 4% on that is going to be $120 commission for you for getting them to book through you and sending them to Expedia. So this is one that I've seen a lot of people make really great money with this. I have some old blogger friends who, have probably made millions of dollars in the Expedia affiliate program over the years. It's really dependent on site traffic and building trust with your audience, with the people who are booking through you or booking through Expedia through you, what I mean, but still, nonetheless, it's one that I do think is worthwhile if you're talking about anything related to travel or experiences. Curating those things can really be valuable. So the next one is Etsy. Now, Etsy pays 4% commission flat all around, and what's different about them compared to maybe Amazon is that the cookie length is not 24 hours. It's not even 7 days like Target. It's actually 30-day cookie length. And so if someone clicks on your link on an Etsy product and they buy it 29 days later, you're still going to get paid for that. So this can still be lucrative. Etsy has obviously tons of different products that you can purchase on the platform. And so you can probably search around on there and see if there's anything that could be interesting that you could promote and send to Etsy's platform. Now, one that is going to be a really high rate is actually going to be Surfshark. So Surfshark is a VPN service. Lots of people use VPNs for various reasons. Sometimes you might be wanting to watch like Netflix in Europe and you want to watch American Netflix or something, and people use VPNs for a lot of reasons. But Surfshark pays really, really well. And so you're getting a 40% revenue share on new sales with this affiliate program. You got the 30-day cookie window, and the product is, pretty expensive. And so if you're getting 40% on something and, the average person is spending, $40 or $50 a year on that, you're getting, $20 or $30 for every person who's signing up for this VPN. It's very easy to convert people on VPNs. I've seen people do really well with that. So it's one that I would consider. And it's also a broad product. So like regardless of what type of content you're making, you can probably find a way to slip in like kind of like a self-made Surfshark VPN ad into any type of content that you're making. And that's why I think it's one that everyone should be in to make some extra passive income by promoting a company like this. Now, let's talk about the next one because this is one of my favorites here, and that is doing mattress affiliate programs. So let me show you one here. All right, so mattresses are really expensive products. Maybe you've heard of something like 8 Sleep. 8 Sleep is a mattress that is, starts at like $3,000, or this one's $5,000. And so I'm not in 8 Sleep's affiliate program, and I couldn't find it online, but I have a friend who's in it, and I believe they pay 10% commission for every mattress that you sell. And so for this, for example, if someone's paying $5,000 for a mattress, they're going to want to watch some reviews on that. And if you have a review on that and you walk them through, you show them, how this mattress works, you tell them how you feel after sleeping on it, that's really important stuff that people want to know before they make a $5,000 purchase. And if you have a link to that mattress and you're getting 10% commission on that, that's almost $500 commission for every person who purchases a mattress through your affiliate link. So you don't have to be a genius to realize that you don't even have to get that many people to buy it to make a lot of money. I mean, if 10 people buy it and you're making $500, you're making, $5,000 from just converting 10 people. It doesn't matter if you only get, a couple thousand views on it. You can make a lot of money. So it's not just 8 Sleep. There's a lot of different mattress companies. I believe is Casper still in business. I believe they have an affiliate program as well. Let me check. All right, so I can't find information on Casper. It doesn't look like they have a publicly available affiliate program. Also, a big tip here for everyone is that you can just email or DM companies and ask if they have an affiliate program. And if they don't, you can just say, can you set one up for me? I've done this in the past, and companies have set them up for me to promote them. There's a lot of companies out there that just don't really have a lot of experience with affiliate marketing, but they're happy to pay you if you're willing to send them customers. So don't be scared to just reach out to companies and just say, hey, I want to promote your product. Can you get me a special affiliate link so that I can start promoting it and sending you customers? Very few companies are going to say no to that. So let's see what other ones we have here on this list. One of them is going to be actually YouTube Shopping. So YouTube Shopping is relatively new. They've been rolling this out over the past couple of years. And I know that my brother has been doing quite a bit with YouTube Shopping, but you're going to get up to 15% commissions for promoting products through YouTube's platform. So YouTube now, they are facilitating these affiliate deals, and you can just link to it right below in your video. It's embedded in the YouTube video. Maybe I can find you an example and show you how that works. But this is really great because it's embedded there. YouTube likes it because they're making a little bit of money off of it as well. And 15% average commissions are really great for something that's being embedded directly in there. I think what they're trying to do is compete with something like TikTok Shop. They see TikTok Shop doing really well, and they want to kind of stay in line with that. So it's one that I would look into. The only downside, though, is that I think you need 10,000 subscribers in order to join the YouTube Shopping program, and it's only available in the US and Korea. So, it's kind of limited to certain people. So those are the only downsides, but I would keep an eye out for it in the coming years. If you're not in the US or in Korea, or you don't have 10,000 subscribers, keep an eye on it because I think it's going to be a really big opportunity in the next year or two as they roll it out worldwide. So those are the 12 affiliate programs that I would consider applying to in this year. Now, if you have questions or ideas, feel free to reach out to me. You can DM me on Instagram or on Twitter, or just leave some comments down below. I wish everyone the best of luck. Affiliate marketing is the best. I mean, I've been doing it for so long. It's a great way to make passive income. So thanks for watching. I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll see everybody sometime in a future video.